going to see what are our longitude, what are longitudes. To fix the position of a place, it is necessary to know something more than a latitude of that place. You can see, for example, that Tonga Islands in Pacific Ocean and Mauritius Islands in Indian Ocean are situated on the same latitude, that is 20 degree south. Here if you are looking, here it is coming 23 degree, 23 and a half degrees south, and that line both it is coming here. One is Mauritius and one Tonga Islands, both is coming here with 20 degree that is in south. Then how is it in left side or right side, how we will come to know the degree? Only if we are knowing means how we will find out the place. So in order to locate the place, we want to know something else, and if we must find out how far east or west of that particular place. Not only south and east, instead of that, with that south and north we want, with that we want to know how much it is far away from east and west. So we are giving like that, it is giving a reference, that also again imaginary line. We are making like that lines, that is starting from south pole to north pole, that it is coming 0 means that lines we can see, and first line where we are making that line we will give as a 0 degree. Then if it is moving to left side, 30 degree west, 60 degree west, 90 degree west, 120 degree west, 150 degree west, and middle again just back of 0 it is coming 180 degree. Or if you are taking 180 degree as a 0, here this line will come 180 degree, like that vice versa. And here in right side of that 0 degree we can see 30 degree east, 60 degree east, 90 degree east, 120 degree east, and 150 degree east, and 180 degree. In that we are not saying like that east or west, that is it is equal, 0 degree and 180 degree it is coming equal way. Any one part we can, any one side we can consider, and we can calculate as a 0 degree or 180 degree. So this is the picture. If it is coming that 0 degree, it is coming in the middle, and if we are moving to left side, the degrees will increase with west, and if we are moving to south right side, degrees will increase with east. So with that we can make, if 0 degree and 180 degree, it is making the earth into two hemisphere again. This is the eastern hemisphere and this is the western hemisphere. With the help of equator we made two hemisphere, that is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. And with the help of 0 degree, that is longitude, we are making again earth into eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. These lines references are called meridians of longitude. These lines what we are showing, this is known as the meridian of longitude. Because it is very important for us not only to identify the place where it is, at the same time we are checking these lines to understand the timing. To find out the timing we are checking these longitude. So it is important lines, not only latitude, longitude also. Then the distance between them are measured in degree of longitude, and the degree it is here we can see degree of longitude. We are calling it degree of longitude, and this is degree of latitudes. Okay, each degree is further divided into degree is divided into minutes into seconds. Means again this small division we can make. That first division it is minutes, then it comes seconds. There are semicircles, and distance between them decrease steadily polewards until it becomes 0 at the poles where all the meridians meet. Okay, let's come back to the picture. This width of the line, when it is coming in the equator area, it is broadened. When it is coming here in equator area, it is very broadened, and when it is moving to pole side, the width it is decreasing. When it is moving to pole side, it is decreasing. When we are calculating, this is the 0 degree. Then when we are looking here, it is much bigger. When we are moving to upside to northern pole, it is decreasing, again decreasing, and last it is reaching to the 0 degree, means the all meridians together it is meeting. Same way in south side also we can see they are all the meridians they are meeting. So the width of the distance of the meridians, it in the equator area it is more, and when it is moving to pole side, both the poles, it is decreasing. And in the northern pole, or when we are saying like that 180 degree 90 degree 90 degree north and 90 degree south, when it is reaching, the lines are reaching here, meeting together, that time it is coming as 0 degree. There is no difference, it is together it is. Unlike parallels to latitude, all meridians are of equal length. The length of the meridians, that is equal. Thus it was difficult to number the meridians. How we will number the meridian, that is difficult. So all countries divide that the count should begin from the meridian which passed through Greenwich. If you are looking the next page, there is one big world map. If you are looking here it is one dotted line is there. Other lines are straight lines. Here it is given a dotted line. That line shows that line, it is the Greenwich line. Okay, what is Greenwich and other things we'll explain. This is the Greenwich line, because there are so many lines, many lines are there. If you are looking here to left side, we can see -1, -2, like that up to -12, and if you are moving to this side, we can see up to +12, because there is no enough means that continent situation is like that. So they taken this part to here, it should come here, that is +2 +12. Okay, -12 to +12, that much differences are there, and the 0 area we are calling it Greenwich line. Okay, what it is like that things we will study, going to study that one. And the meridian which passed through Greenwich, where the British Royal Observatory is located, means that time the British people was that much powerful. So the British Royal Observatory, where it was, that is in Greenwich, and that meridian is known as the prime meridian. Which meridian is known as prime meridian? The prime meridian is the which line is touching Greenwich, or where the British Royal Observatory is there. That meridian is known as prime meridian, and its value we are calculating as 0 degree longitude, and from it we can count 180 degree eastward as well as 180 degree westwards. Okay, see here, if you are supposing this is the Greenwich line of 0 degree, we can count 30, 60, 90, 120, 150 to 180 degree to west, as the same to east also. Okay, then prime meridian and 180 degree meridian divide the earth into two equal halves, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. That already we said. This 0 degree and 180 degree, it is coming as a parallel, so we can make the globe into two parts, and this area it is known as the western hemisphere, and this area it is known as eastern hemisphere. And now look at the grid of the parallel of latitude and meridian of longitude on the globe 2.6. Here it is given both. What all things it is given? Latitudes are given, all the latitudes 0 degree, 20 degree, 40 degree, 60 degree, 80 degree, and here it comes 90 degree. And as the same time meridians are given, meridian 0 degree, then 30 degree, 60 degree, and we know 90 degree and 121, like that. It will come the back line as a one, and this back line it will come as a 180 degree. Both it is given in the globe. Now if you want to, you can locate any point on the globe very easily if you know its latitude and longitude. If the place latitude and longitude if you are getting, then we are able to locate the place. For example, here it is given one example. Dhubri in Assam is situated 20 degree north. First we want to find out where is the 26 degree north. this is the 20 degree north, and it should be 26 degree, little bit upside, 26 degree it will come like suppose it is coming here like that. Suppose we are making it is 26 degree north, as well as 90 degree east. 90 degree means the right side it is coming east, and west, left side it is coming west. So it is coming here the point 90 degree. This is 60 degree, and after two lines again it is a little bit we want to move, and here we can show like that. This is the 90 degree, because this is after one line it coming, it is 30 degree, then after one line it is coming 60 degree, after one line it will come 90 degree. 90 degree plus 26 means it will come here. That is the location of Debris. And if means very as a 6th standard students, it may be little bit difficult to understand. So what we want to do, we are getting that activity again here down. To understand clearly what we want to do, we want to make the columns and rows with equal distance, and these lines, what it shows, this is the longitude, and it shows the latitudes, means the horizontal and vertical lines we want to draw, and we want to find out the place where is this interacting each other, both means horizontal and vertical lines, where it is meeting, like that you want to locate the means want to put circle. Then afterwards slowly you can, like that here also we are making like this. We are taking 26 degree and 90 degree meeting here, like that we are locating, like that here also you can do the activity. And okay, we'll continue in next video.